Hi, this is Dan Encell with Berkshire Hathaway. Today is Monday, September 4th. Happy Labor Day. Let's talk about what's going on nationwide, Southern California, and then locally. Nationwide, the real estate market continues to be very, very strong. There's a shortage of inventory. Inventory levels are down about 9% compared to a year ago. Because of the lack of inventory, the number of sales is starting to show some declines, but prices continue to rise. The prices right now nationwide are at an all-time high. They surpassed the all-time high of third quarter of 2016 this year. So again, nationwide, market's doing very strong other than inventory shortage. Interest rates still very attractive. Right now, the 30-year mortgage is tracking right around 3.85%. That's the lowest that they've been in 2017. They're up about 0.5% compared to the lows of 2016, but still very, very attractive historically. Southern California, there are 6 regions that make up Southern California there. Right now, the prices are continuing to rise. They're up about 7% compared to a year ago. Only 2 counties, though, in Southern California are above the 2007 peak. That's Los Angeles and Orange County. The rest of them are getting close, but they're not quite there yet. Still seeing a shortage of inventory in those areas also, but again, very strong market throughout Southern California. What's happening locally? In the Santa Barbara area, the whole South Coast, the market's doing very well, very consistent with what's done the past few years. New listings, 224, very consistent with what we've been seeing the last several years for in August. Number of sales, 185. That's up probably about 7 or 8% compared to what we typically see during an August, so tracking pretty good. Pending sales, 204 properties in escrow right now. Again, very consistent with what we typically see for this time of year. What's happening in Montecito? Inventory levels up a bit in August. There were 36 new listings. That's up quite a bit compared to the last couple of years, so good, healthy choices for buyers out there. Correspondingly, the number of sales in August was up. 29 sales in August compared to only 17 sales in August of 2016, so a good jump in summer activity there. Pending sales, 23, very consistent with what we saw in August of last year. So the Montecito market seems to be very stable, as does the Santa Barbara market. We're not seeing the inventory shortages that the rest of the country is seeing, so we have a very adequate supply out there, which puts us into a much more neutral market. We're not seeing sort of the red-hot appreciation that the rest of the country is seeing, but a much more stable, neutral market. So that's what's going on for early September 2017.